Right now, AI lives on our computers. It lives on our phones. It lives on our screens. But the next big phase of AI is already here. AI inside the body of something. This isn't just software anymore. It's machines that can move, see, and act in the real world. NVIDIA's CEO calls it physical AI. Others call it embodied intelligence. Whatever name you give it, one thing is clear. This is going to change the world in a very, very big way. And with every tech revolution, the biggest gains always go to the companies positioned at the heart of the shift. Today, we're looking at 3 stocks across energy, aerospace, and semiconductors that could see massive growth as embodied intelligence becomes reality. But before we dive in, thank you so much for helping this channel cross 1,000 subscribers. Your support means the world. If you enjoy deep dive investing content like this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video so we can keep growing together. Now let's get right into it. 1. Tourmaline Oil, TRMLF, the energy backbone of AI. Tourmaline Oil isn't just another natural gas company. It's Canada's largest producer of natural gas, supplying nearly 10% of the country's total output. The company operates across the Montney, Peace River High, and Deep Basin plays, which are among the lowest cost, highest yield natural gas basins in North America. This scale advantage allows Tourmaline to produce energy more efficiently than peers, giving it superior margins and a strong competitive moat. Financially, Tourmaline is a powerhouse. In the latest quarter, it generated $1.5 billion in revenue and $514 million in net income, translating to a profit margin of around 30%, a level most tech companies would envy. On top of that, management has been aggressively rewarding shareholders, boosting its dividend by 43%, authorizing share buybacks, and maintaining a fortress balance sheet with low debt. But here's where the story ties into embodied AI. As robotics, autonomous vehicles, and humanoid AI expand, data centers will require exponentially more electricity. NVIDIA estimates that AI workloads could consume 10% of global electricity by 2030. Natural gas, being cleaner and more reliable than coal, is set to become the key transitional fuel. Tourmaline already has long-term contracts with major power generators, and as AI expands, these contracts could multiply. This isn't just an energy stock, it's a critical supplier for the AI era. 2. Howmet Aerospace, HWM, Robotics Transforming Manufacturing. Howmet Aerospace is a hidden gem in the aerospace supply chain, and it's trading around $170 per share after a stellar run in 2025. The company manufactures high-performance components for aircraft engines, defense systems, and industrial gas turbines. But what makes it stand out today is its rapid adoption of robotics, automation, and additive manufacturing 3D printing. In the most recent quarter, Howmet posted $2 billion in revenue, up 9% year over year, while net income surged 52% to $500 million. Management returned cash to shareholders via a $175 million buyback program, signaling confidence in future growth. But the bigger story lies in how robotics are reshaping its business. By deploying industrial AI and robotics on its production lines, Howmet has reduced waste, cut lead times, and improved product precision. These efficiencies compound quarter after quarter, creating structural margin expansion. Zooming out, the robotics adoption cycle is exploding. Amazon already has over 1 million robots working in logistics, and analysts forecast that over 50% of warehouses worldwide will adopt robotics by 2030. In aerospace specifically, automation is solving labor shortages while enabling next-gen parts manufacturing. With the Pentagon testing robotic dogs for security and private aerospace firms racing to scale production, the demand for robotic-enabled manufacturing partners like Howmet is only going higher. In short, Howmet isn't just benefiting from robotics, it's proving robotics directly boost profitability quarter after quarter. 3. Advanced Micro Devices AMD, chips for the robotics era. If Tourmaline provides the energy and Howmet provides the infrastructure, AMD provides the brains. At around $166 a share, AMD is positioned as NVIDIA's only serious challenger in the high-performance AI chip space. While NVIDIA's dominance remains unmatched, AMD's MI355 AI accelerators are now competitive with NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs, and that's attracting orders from hyperscalers like Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Amazon. In Q2 2025, AMD delivered $7.7 billion in revenue, up 32% year-over-year, and generated nearly $900 million in operating income. What's more impressive is that AMD's data center segment surged 54% year-over-year, showing that AI demand is accelerating rapidly. Unlike NVIDIA, which has priced its GPUs at a premium due to demand outstripping supply, AMD has strategically priced its chips more competitively, offering a real alternative for companies building robotics, autonomous vehicles, drones, and industrial AI systems. And here's why that matters. As embodied intelligence expands, the cost of chips will matter as much as performance. Think of a robot dog in every factory or autonomous drones delivering goods worldwide. These systems will need chips that are powerful but also affordable at scale. AMD is perfectly positioned to fill that role. Many analysts now believe we're entering an AMD-NVIDIA duopoly era, where AMD captures the price-sensitive but high-volume robotics and AI edge markets. If that thesis plays out, AMD could see its market cap double over the next 5 years. So let's recap the big picture. Tourmaline Oil, TRMLF, supplying the energy that keeps AI data centers and embodied intelligence running. Howmet Aerospace, HWM, embedding robotics into aerospace and manufacturing with profits already accelerating. AMD, delivering the brains behind robots, drones, and autonomous machines and challenging NVIDIA for AI chip dominance. Together, these companies represent 3 core pillars of the embodied AI revolution: energy, infrastructure, and intelligence. And as always, big tech revolutions don't just happen overnight. They build quietly, then explode. The companies that are positioned early, like these 3, stand to benefit the most when embodied AI goes mainstream. Thank you again for helping this channel pass 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more deep dive investing content, and share it with a friend who's curious about the future of AI. Now, let me know in the comments, do you think embodied intelligence will be bigger than the smartphone revolution? As always, happy investing.